So I'm going to ask Tibi to help us understand how these new technologies can actually answer some of this market confusion.
Yeah, thanks. Here's the thing. What has been holding back technology to actually act as a marketplace host, as they have done in travel, in commerce, in essence, is the main issue that I keep being asked about. How do you get your price? In other words, the transparency issue has been an issue within the domestic, realm. Because if you want to build an orbit or a price line, you can't list 3,000 options with no prices, or at least no prices behind those options. And so they've gone through other ways. In other words, they looked for the key under the light because it was easy. So they either went outside of the country. We have good friends here that actually do that, and I appreciate it. It's not bad or good, but you had a price outside, so you went there. You never took into account how many, or you did, but you didn't get as much participation or engagement in that because Americans, frankly, don't travel that much, not just for care. Then some go and bulldoze with their pricing. Okay, so there are companies that go out and actually build their own little network outside of the Cuba network, Sigma, United, whatever, and they have 10, 15 of those on there, or 20. You don't build an Expedia or an Orbis or a Hotel.com with 20 cases. It just doesn't make sense. And so that's another level. Others go into Neiman Marcus, think consumerism, and tell them, listen, well, first they buy. When they get to the register, they go, I have 20 bucks. That's what I'm gonna pay. Okay, that's a way to do it. If you think consumerism, you try to equate to other, areas of commerce, some, try to do that. We were able, in a very smart way, if I may say, to overcome that issue of transparency and actually use big data to actually circumvent that problem. And so we have 3,000 offerings on our platform, and let's just take a little peek at the future in terms of how things may actually look later.